You ready?
Do it again.
All right, let's see it, Kaden. Do it.
Do it again. Do it again.
Don't bonk heads.
Do it again, Kaden.
You guys are pretty funny. Hey, will you guys tell me what we did at the pumpkin patch today?
What'd we see? Huh? You didn't ride the horse. You didn't want to.
What else did Reese rode the horse?
Kaden, did you ride a tractor?
Reese Caroline.
Did you ride a tractor, Kaden?
Honk honk.
Reese, what kind of animals did you see?
The tractor broken. You okay? Yeah. Mwah.
Hi, sweetie.
What?
Holy cow. Look at that.
Good.
You are crazy.
Take